Whoa, what's that? Oh, here you are. Human, there is something under your blanket. Gotta make sure that its lovely butt won't get any dirt.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that
Is
feels
that the
good.
spot?
Does that feel good, mister?
He's feeling it.
Oh my goodness.
Welcome to today's yoga lesson. Me at the workplace trying to be awake without any coffee. So, not only us humans have those weird sleeping postures.
Luna! Luna!
Sunlight has a lot of UV, but it's okay, cause he's a chill cat. Only cats could make use of a toy as senseless as this. Every energetic one has that best friend who's almost always sleepy. When the camera is on, every model will be on her best pose instantly. Better stock up on heart meds for this double dose of cuteness.